welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Charmaine, and in today's video, it's kind of exciting. You know why? Because I'm going to try a liquid liner from Shein. For those of you that have been following me for a long time, you know that this one here is my go-to. The NYC liquid liner, but a few months ago, they just discontinued it at my store that I usually go to get it at. I was so heartbroken. So I'm like, you know what? Let me go on Shein and see if they have any eyeliners. I actually bought two, but I'm gonna be demoing this one today. It is called SheGlam, and it's their liquid eyeliner. It's long wearing, quick drying liquid liner. On the back it says, "You'll love how easy this eyeliner is to use. Featuring a felt tip applicator, the carbon ink formula glides on for intense color that dries quickly and stays put." I will leave the link to this liquid liner in the goodie box down below, so go ahead and check it out. We're gonna test it out right now. Alright, so I have y'all in super close. We're gonna give this a try and hope for the best. Y'all pray for me, okay? Pray, because you guys know that I love the NYC liquid liner, but giving something else a try since it's discontinued. This is what it looks like. The packaging is really nice. There is a smell to it, but nothing too crazy. I'll just show you. Y'all know I'm not the greatest at putting eyeliner on camera, so I don't know how it's gonna go. Oh, it's gliding on nicely. Might not be perfect, but I hope that it helps y'all if you're ever wondering what eyeliner from Shein looks like. I like to do a line at the bottom. And then go to the top and connect. Probably not gonna be able to match the other eye, like I'm just not the greatest at this. Again, starting with the line on the bottom. And then going to the top and connecting. Yeah, it's not gonna look the same, but that's okay. That's what it looks like. I know they don't look the same, but that's okay. I'll put on some lashes and I'll be back with the finished look. So that's it. I'm really happy with how my eyes turned out. They don't look so bad. Like, I don't mind it. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments down below what you think of this liquid eyeliner. We'll see how it performs after a few hours go by. Hopefully I'll still like it and be happy with it, but it looks good. It looks good. So y'all, don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you don't miss any more of my videos. If you enjoyed this one, give me a thumbs up. Thanks for watching, lovelies, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!